Hey beauties! So today I want to introduce you to my sister, but first I want to explain that I have this very special Christmas video for you today. So let's get on to the video. Hey, we are going to be opening this 12 Day of Beauty from Target. You can purchase it now for $15. Yay! Alright guys, so we're gonna go straight to this. So when you open it, it kind of shows you what's in the back, but we don't really want to see what's. So when you open it, it's going to be like this, but you want to start from the very first start. So today we're going to open it from there. So let's start. So you got to open up the little door. Man, these are really hard. And we got bum Pacific Sea Foam. It's face wash. It gets rid of the acne. The red tomato face. Okay, so this is our first. It's for all skin types, and directions: use morning and night and apply to damp skin in circular motion and then rinse. Every true beauty knows it's what's on the inside that matters. Formulated with women, animals, and plant in mind. So this is our first. Open them all? Yep. Okay, so next I'm going to open the Party Prep, the number 11. I think it should go like you open. I open. Hold on. False eyelashes. You're covering it. False eyelashes. Yay! Yay! Who does not want to rip their eyelashes off? So these are Cosmetic London's Eyeliner Naturals number 031. Next is number 10. Multitasking must-have. Well, let's see what that must-have is. And it's a beauty sponge. Okay, blender. Whatever. Call it whatever. I say whatever. Whatever. Okay, number 9. I get to open this one. They're hard to open. Are you sure you don't want me to open it so you don't break a nail? Oh, FYI, it tells you what it is inside. Honest Beauty. So this is their everything organic facial oil. Just to let everyone know, inside it comes in this cute little tube, and it tells you what to do. I didn't notice that at first. I don't think she did either. But hey, I didn't notice that. It really does tell you. Right. Next is number 8. H, which is Nexxus Humectress Ultimate Moisturizer, Intensely Hydrating Masque. Alright, next is number 7, Photo Ready Balm. Photo Balm Ready, yes. Sure. You are ready to be photo bombed. And it is this the NYX ID Genie. Yeah, I know. That's in a different everything. It's in a different language. This is the Bright Idea by NYX. So I actually really want to open this one up. Open it. So just open that baby up. Ooh, it's an illuminizer. It's like a pinkish purple. Actually, I'm gonna use this. Alright, to number 4? No, number 6. Which is a Vichy. I have no idea what that is, Vichy, but I can tell it's gonna be very itchy when you put it on.
Come on, he's dying.
Mineral.
Come on.
89.
Come on.
This is. I like Vichy brand. They're great.
If you're not laughing at that, well, you know what? Next we have Pixie. I have no idea what that is.
It's a glow tonic.
But you know
Makes
what?
your face glow. It is an exfoliating toner.
So hold on. Yes, I'm gonna have a joke. Don't click off. Ready? So it's Pixie Dust because it makes your face glow. Get it? Come on, who doesn't get it?
Alright. Number 4. I haven't got to open any. Okay.
Eye cream.
Acure eye cream.
AKA wrinkle cream.
All skin types.
Number 3. Frizz Fix.
Oh, this one's the argan oil. Okay. If I can get it out.
She is better with makeup, I think.
From Morocco, it's Hask.
Ooh, you got.
Is this the elf?
I just want to show you guys this color. This is so
It's like
cute.
a sea foam. I really like this color. I'm excited to use this.
One is called Jet Set, and it is.
I love this mascara, but I'm more of a fabulous flocking lash girl.
It's
from
a mascara,
from Beauty Crop.
I don't think we should be opening this. So if you guys want any more videos about makeup,
please go
comment what you want to see next. I know this is her video, but you know what? I'm taking over. So,
Michaela. So, comment down below what you want to see next. Hit the like and subscribe button down below. And I'll see you next video. Bye, guys.
Bye, beauties.